Welcome to AIM SSLC Facilitator. In the last class, we have discussed some application problems of trigonometry. In this class, we are discussing some more application problems of trigonometry. Let us see the first problem. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 degree to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So there is a boy. So he is 1.5 meter tall. So he is standing away from the building. The height of the building is 30 meter tall. So he is walking towards the building. So at this point, the angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree. Now he walks towards the building. At this point, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So this is the ground level. Here we have to find the distance he walked towards the building. So we have to find out this distance. CD is the height of the boy. AB is the height of the building. Angle ACG is 30 degree. Angle AEG is 60 degree. We have to find out the distance walked by the boy towards the building, that is CE. So he is at C and finally he is at E. We have to find out the distance C. So let us see the solution. Height of the building. Height of the building that is AB is equal to 30 meter. So totally AB is 30 meter. Since CD is height of the boy 1.5 meter, CD is equal to GB. So GB is also 1.5 meter. So the remaining AG is 30 minus 1.5 means 28.5 meter. So height of the building is AB 30 meter and height of the boy CD is equal to 1.5 meter. And here AG is equal to AB minus GB. So that is 30 minus 1.5 is equal to 28.5 meter. Here we have to find out CE distance. So in triangle AGC, so in triangle AGC, tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to opposite by adjacent. Means here we know AG, that is opposite side, with respect to 30 degree we know opposite side. We have to find out CG, that is adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent are present in tan, so we have taken tan 30 degree here. So opposite is AG by CG, adjacent is CG. So it implies tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to AG is nothing but 28.5 by CG. We don't know, right, as it is. It implies CG is equal to CG is transposed to LHS, so we get 28.5 root 3 meter. So this is the length of CG. So this is CG. In the next step, now consider the triangle AGE. Let us consider the triangle AGE. In this triangle, we know the opposite side AG with respect to 60 degree and we have to find out EG. Because if you subtract EG from CG, then we get CE. So we have to find out CG here. So opposite is there. We have to find out adjacent, means we have to select tan. So tan 60 degree. So in triangle AGE, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite is AG by EG, adjacent. It implies root 3 is the value of tan 60 degrees. So root 3 is equal to 28.5 by EG. It implies EG is equal to 28.5 by root 3 meters. So this is the value of EG. Now we have to rationalize the denominator of EG. So EG is equal to 28.5 by root 3. We have to multiply by root 3 by root 3. So we get 28.5 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 means we get 3. So 3 ones are 3 nines are 0.5. So it is equal to 9.5 root 3 meters. So CE is equal to CG minus EG. So we have to subtract EG from CG. Then we get CE. So it is equal to CG is nothing but 28.5 root 3 meters. So 28.5 root 3 minus EG value is 9.5 root 3. So 9.5 root 3. It is equal to, or it implies CE is equal to 28.5 minus 9.5 means we get 19 root 3 as it is 19 root 3 meter. This is the distance walked by the boy. See the second problem. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So there is a transmission tower. This transmission tower is on a building. So let this be a building and there is a tower on this building. From a point on the ground, from this point, the angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower. So this is the tower. So the angle of elevation of the bottom of the tower is 45 degree, and the top of the, so the angle of elevation of top of the building is 60 degree. So we have to find out here the height of the tower. So we have to find out this tower height. So BC is the height of the building, AB is the height of the tower. The height of the building is 20 meter. We have to find out the height of the tower AB. The angle of elevation of bottom of the tower is 45 degree. The angle of elevation of top of the tower is 60 degree. Let us see the solution. Height of the building. Height of the building BC is equal to 20 meter and angle BDC is equal to 45 degree. Angle ADC is equal to 60 degree. We have to find out height of the tower. So height of the tower, that is AB, is equal to question mark. We have to find out AB. Now if you consider the triangle BCD, with respect to 45 degree, we know the opposite side 20 meter. So from this triangle we can easily find DC, because DC is also present in triangle ACD. If we get the value of DC, we can easily find the value of AC. If we get the value of AC, we can easily find the value of AB. So now we have to find out DC from the triangle BCD. So in triangle BCD, tan 45 degree is equal to opposite is BC by adjacent is DC. It implies tan 45 degree value is 1. So 1 is equal to BC is 20 by DC, right as it is. So it implies DC is equal to 20 meters. Now we get the value of DC. Now let us consider the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, 60 degree is there. With respect to 60 degree, AC is the opposite side and DC is the adjacent. We know the adjacent side DC now. It is 20 meter. Now we have find it. So DC is there, we have to find out AC. So adjacent is there, we have to find out opposite, means we have to select tan. So in triangle ACD, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite is AC by adjacent is DC. So it implies tan 60 degree means √3 is equal to AC value we don't know, but AC is nothing but AB plus BC. So instead of AC we have to write now AB plus BC by DC value is 20 meter. It implies if we transpose the 20, we get 20 √3 is equal to AB we don't know, but BC value is 20. So it implies AB is equal to, if we transpose the 20, we get 20 √3 minus 20. So it is equal to 20. If we take the 20 as common, we get √3 minus 1 meter. So AB value, the height of the transmission tower is 20 into √3 minus 1 meters. See the next problem. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles. So there are two poles. So this is a pole and this is a pole. These two poles on either side of the road. Let it be road. Let this be road. This road is 80 meter wide. So this is a pole and this is also a pole on either side of the roads. These are equal heights. Now from a point on the road, there is a point on the road. From this point, the angle of elevation of the roads are, one is 60 degree and another one is 30 degree. Now here we have to find out the heights of the poles and also the distance of the point from the poles. AB and CD are the poles and E is a point. From this point, the angle of elevations are 60 degree and 30 degree. And the road is 80 meter wide. Here we have to find out AB, that is CD also, and DE and BE. So let us see the solution. Width of the road. Width of the road, that is DB or BD. So DB is equal to 80 meter. So angle CED is equal to 30 degree. Angle AEB, angle AEB is equal to 60 degree. Here we have to find out CD and AB, both are equal. So AB is equal to CD is equal to question mark. So let us take the triangle CDE. So in triangle CDE, now let us take a tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree is equal to opposite is CD by adjacent means DE. It implies tan 30 degree value is 1 by root 3 is equal to CD, we don't know, right, as it is, by write DE also as it is because we don't know DE also. So it implies DE is equal to, if you transpose the DE to LHS, we get CD root 3. So this is the DE value. Now consider the triangle ABE. So in triangle ABE, tan 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite is AB by adjacent is B. It implies tan 60 degree value is root 3 is equal to AB is there. So AB is nothing but CD. Both are equal. So instead of AB, let us take CD by BE is there. BE is nothing but DB minus D. So to get BE, we have to subtract DE from DB. So BE, instead of BE, let us write DB minus DE. So DB minus DE. So it implies, write root 3 as it is equal to CD is there. Let us write CD as it is by DB is nothing but 80 meters. So let us write 80 here minus DE is there. DE is nothing but CD root 3. So here it is DE is equal to CD root 3. So let us write that one CD root 3. It implies, let us transpose this to LHS. So we get root 3 into 80 minus CD root 3 is equal to CD. So it implies 80 root 3 minus 3 CD is equal to CD. It implies if minus 3 CD is transposed to RHS, we get plus 3 CD. CD plus 3 CD means we get 4 CD. 4 CD is equal to 80 root 3. It implies CD is equal to 80 by 4 means 20. So 20 root 3 meters. So CD value is 20 root 3 meters. If you substitute the value of CD is equal to 20 root 3 here, so DE is equal to means DE is equal to CD is nothing but 20 root 3. So 20 root 3 into root 3 means 20 into 3. So we get 60 meters. So DE value is 60 meter. DE value is 60 meter means totally BD is 80. This is 60. So EB is equal to 80 minus 60. So we get 20 meters. So EB is equal to 20 meters.